Hello friends and colleagues, and welcome to the Dermosphere unboxing video for this lichen sclerosus card game. Back in episode 49, we talked to Dr. Beth Morel about lichen sclerosus, and in the Netherlands, where she's from, there's an interest group for patients about lichen sclerosus, and apparently their chairperson, Ellen Swanborn, made a game about lichen sclerosus to help children, mostly girls, discuss their symptoms with their parents or healthcare providers more easily. And it's finally here, shipped from the Netherlands. Look at all this tape. There's like 6 different addresses on here all over the place. This box has traveled long and hard to reach me and the legendary gaming shelf behind me. And today, I would like to open it up and we can all find out together what's inside it. So I'm going to take my 15-blade scalpel here and we'll get to it. A lot of tape on here, and I hope we don't get any footage of me slicing my finger off, but I do have disability insurance, so as long as we're talking about it, if you don't have disability insurance, do yourself a favor and get it. You want own occupation disability insurance because you want to be able to be a dermatologist or whatever again and not have to do something else that doesn't require a thumb. All right, careful here, Dr. Johnson. It's like 6 layers of adhesives. I think we're almost there. Piece of cardboard number 1, 2, 3. Oh look, there's a nice letter to start things off. From Swanborn Illustrating. Dear Luke and Michelle, as agreed, I'll send you the card games. I'm sending a few lichen sclerosus games and some other games. Oh, how nice, so you can get an idea of what I'm doing. All games can be adapted or translated. I can also design card games for any other disease. SwanbornIllustrating.com. Okay, let's see what's in here. Look at all those colorful card games. I see one that I assume is for eczema. Eczeme probably is Netherlandese for eczema. COVID-19 game. Wow, she is definitely on top of it. This is What is Mastocytosis? Oh, here's the lichen sclerosus one, so I'll put that one aside so we can take another look at it later on. And this one is about ichthyoses. Wow, very, very specific. This is What is lichen sclerosus? It's called lichen sclerosus and not lichen sclerosus et atrophicus anymore, I guess. Not contagious. It can affect anyone at any age, women, men, young and old, any ethnicity. Nice variety of skin types there. Look at how cute all of this artwork is. There's, I mean, she's a graphic artist. I was about to say there's nothing graphic about it. So there's no like actual pictures of anything you wouldn't want children to see, potentially. But to talk about some of the psychosocial effects as well. Shame, can feel uncomfortable. Always bring your ointment with you. How great! And look, in addition to a bunch of cards that kind of explain lichen sclerosus and aspects about it, it really is a game. So here are the instructions here. It looks awesome. Thanks so much, Ellen Swanborn, for making this game and for sending it to us, as well as some of these others. I mean, I'm curious. I don't know if you guys are as curious as I am to just take a quick look at some of these and also see the interesting Netherlandese spelling for some of these words. So there's an eczema card there. Let's see, mastocytosis. Man, she's got some mad graphic artistry chops. COVID-19. Neat stuff. So if you would like more information about her, SwanbornIllustrating.com. I'm just looking at the website over here to make sure I got it right. And then we, of course, discussed this in episode 49. And I'm super excited to take a look at more of these. Thanks for hanging out with us in the first Dermosphere unboxing video. If you would like to know more about Dermosphere, you can check us out on our website, dermospherepodcast.com. You can also find us on social media. We have Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook accounts. And you can find our entire archive on our website and also, of course, on Apple Podcasts or wherever you get your podcasts. And as always, thanks to our institutions, thanks to the University of Utah for supporting the podcast, and to Texas Tech Dermatology, who's lending us Michelle, who is not here right now, but is in sunny, lovely Lubbock, Texas. And thanks to Ryan Carlisle, who's currently holding the camera, med student and member of Team Dermosphere, who keeps our social media accounts and unboxing videos rolling along. See you guys later.